Galactic echoes, hidden messages of the universe. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean, stretching endlessly in all directions. From time to time, mysterious ripples appear on its surface. Signals, waves, whispers traveling across billions of light years. Scientists call them galactic echoes. But what are they? Simple remnants of cosmic events, or hidden messages written into the very fabric of space-time? Today, we'll dive into one of the most fascinating mysteries of modern astrophysics, the phenomenon of galactic echoes. From the heartbeats of black holes to the faint whispers of the Big Bang, these echoes may carry the story of the cosmos itself, and maybe even signs of intelligence beyond Earth. What are galactic echoes? The word echo immediately reminds us of sound bouncing back from a mountain or cave wall. But in space, there is no air for sound to travel. Instead, galactic echoes are ripples of light, X-rays, radio waves, and even gravitational waves bouncing through the cosmic landscape. They happen when powerful events like the explosion of a star, the feeding frenzy of a black hole, or the collision of galaxies send out energy into space. This energy travels until it hits cosmic clouds of dust or gas, which scatter and reflect the radiation. What reaches our telescopes, sometimes billions of years later, is the echo of the event. It's like hearing the ghost of a cosmic explosion long after the fireworks are over. Echoes of the Big Bang. Perhaps the most famous galactic echo is the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint afterglow is the remnant of the Big Bang itself, still humming across the universe after 13.8 billion years. Discovered in 1965 by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, this microwave radiation looks like static noise on an old TV. But hidden in that noise is a record of the very birth of our universe. The tiny fluctuations in the radiation are echoes of the first moments after creation, mapping out how galaxies, stars, and planets would eventually form. The Big Bang echo tells us, we live inside a universe that remembers its own birth. Black holes that speak in echoes. Black holes are often imagined as silent monsters, swallowing everything around them. But surprisingly, they also create echoes. When matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and shines in X-rays before vanishing beyond the event horizon. Sometimes these X-rays bounce off surrounding gas and dust, creating time-delayed signals, echoes of the black hole's feeding. In 2020, astronomers detected repeating X-ray echoes from the supermassive black hole at the center of a distant galaxy. What makes this discovery breathtaking is that the echoes seem to come from behind the black hole, bent around it by the extreme warping of space-time. It was the first direct proof that Einstein's theory of general relativity works exactly as predicted even in the most extreme environments. Galactic whispers across the radio spectrum. In recent years, astronomers have been baffled by fast radio bursts, FRB's sudden, millisecond-long flashes of radio energy coming from distant galaxies. Some FRBs repeat, echoing in patterns that are still unexplained. Are they caused by magnetars? Ultra-magnetized neutron stars? Are they the aftershocks of cosmic collisions? Or could they be artificial, the signatures of advanced civilizations using beams of energy to communicate across space? Though no evidence of aliens has been confirmed, FRBs have pushed the limits of our imagination. Each mysterious burst feels like the universe is tapping us on the shoulder, whispering, "Listen closer, there's more to the story." Echoes as cosmic time machines. One of the most fascinating aspects of galactic echoes is that they act like time machines. When we detect an echo of a supernova explosion, we're essentially seeing the light from an event that may have happened hundreds or thousands of years ago. In some cases, echoes can even allow us to replay history. For example, scientists studying echoes of supernova SEN 1987, the closest observed supernova in modern times, discovered delayed flashes reflected by interstellar dust clouds. These echoes let us watch the explosion unfold from different angles, as though nature had set up cosmic mirrors across the galaxy. The universe, it seems, records its own history in echoes and gives us a second chance to witness it. Could galactic echoes hide messages? This is where science meets speculation. If echoes can carry information about stars, black holes, and the Big Bang, could they also carry artificial signals? Imagine an advanced civilization broadcasting energy bursts into space, knowing that dust clouds and galaxies will scatter them for eons. These echoes could continue long after the civilization itself is gone. A cosmic time capsule. Some researchers have even proposed searching for unusual patterns in echoes, rhythms, codes, or repetitions that don't match natural processes. If we ever find such a signal, it could be the most profound discovery in human history. Why galactic echoes matter. Galactic echoes aren't just curiosities, they are tools for unlocking the deepest questions of science. How did the universe begin? What happens near the edge of a black hole? Could intelligent life leave fingerprints across the stars? Every echo we capture adds a piece to the cosmic puzzle. Each faint whisper of energy, stretched across billions of light years, is like a message reminding us how small we are and how vast the universe truly is. From the afterglow of the Big Bang to the mysterious bursts that defy explanation, galactic echoes prove that the universe is never silent. It speaks in ripples of energy, in whispers of light, in faint but persistent signals that cross the ages. We are only just beginning to listen, and perhaps one day, we will learn to understand the full language of these echoes, not only as records of cosmic events, but maybe even as messages waiting to be decoded.